Introducing the 2026 Kia Ev6 PE Earth in stunning blue. This fully electric MPV boasts top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. With safety features such as lane departure warning, emergency call, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The sleek design includes privacy glass and a spoiler for added style. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow today.